If I told you about the beautiful place on a hill in St. Anne, Jamaica, what would I say? The houses seem to touch the sky, or that the sea looks up at the houses? With over 800 square foot of floor space, the house gives the discerning house owner the marvelous opportunity of comfort and personal space. The accentuated walls of the living, dining and the kitchen spaces all merge into one complete family area. Where you are able to operate from your lavish granite countertop, be entertained, all while basking in a relaxing environment. If you thought we were going to have you wash outside, the answer is no. Come on, it's St. Anne, it rains. We have included a washing area where you may stack your washer and dryer, complemented by a sink for soaking those whites overnight. But let's get to the bedrooms, shall we? Each bedroom is complete with the ensuite bathroom and, of course, a walk-in closet. The bathrooms are equipped as standard with wall tiles, tall sliding glass doors to the shower, and enough space for 2 adults to operate comfortably. The house has an expandable design for an additional room, a solar water heater, and comes as standard with a front patio, where you have a perfect view of ships sailing across the Caribbean Sea. Ooh, you should see it at night. The lights will take your heart away. The complex also boasts a recreational area for you and your children, a mini-mart for your convenience, a pool for those hot summer days. It's 1 minute away from the closest school, 5 minutes away from the health centre, 10 minutes away from the police station. You probably won't need them since the complex is entirely secured. What more could one ask for in value for such affordable homes? Here's one for you. The exquisite Puerto Seco Beach is right down the street. How about that? You may reach us